नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now, Enlighten App, Twitter and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Today, 7th day of the Shivaratri Brahmotsavam, Mahashivaratri Brahmotsavam, and Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Sarva Alankara, Amlana Mala, gracing in Swarna Rishabhavahana, in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam. We now offer our worship at their feet. Grace and blessings.
अथ धूपः ॐ धूरसिधोर्वधोर्वन्तं धूर्वतयोऽस्मान् धूर्वतितं धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्त्वं देवानामसि संस्थितमं पप्रितमं दुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतं मम हृतमति हविर्दानं त्रिगुंहस्वमाक्वा मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मा संविक्था मा त्वाहिगुं दिशुं श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। ओम उद्दीपस्वजात वेदोपज्ञन्नरृतं मम पशोगस्तमख्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हिगुं सीज्जात वेदो कामविश्वं पुरुषं जगत् अभिप्रदज्ञागहिष्यामापरिपातय श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। अथ नैवेद्यम् अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। अमृतं महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। कर्पूरनीराजनम्। ओम सोमोपाएतस्य राज्यमादत्ते यो राजा सन् राज्यो वासो मे नयजते देवसुवा मेधानि हविगुंसि भवति य एतावन्तो वै देवानागुं सवाः स एवास्मै सवान् प्रयच्छन्ति नयेन पुनस्तुवन्ते राज्याय देवसुराजा भवति। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि। रक्षां धारयामि।
Paramashiva's message today from Sri Kailasa. Listen. Your experience of your life happens in the zone of chemicals and hormones, memories and emotions. Listen. Much of, I should say almost everything, you perceive, call, experience, understand, cognize as your life happens in the zone of hormones and chemicals, emotions and memories. Tyaga is a single soul, most powerful catalyst agent to transform your Atma into Paramatma, soul into cosmic soul, Sava into Paramashiva, your individual existence to Paramashiva. Understand? Tyaga brings focus, intense focus on your ultimate reality. I tell you, struggle is not wrong in your path to Kailasa, enlightenment, but losing focus is something seriously wrong. If you lost focus, you lost everything. Struggle is not something wrong. I tell you, too simple. You may be struggling with your Paramashiva space. Maybe only one problem you are focused, you are struggling, you are not able to complete. Maybe you are lust or that hunger pattern. But you are struggling with will persistence. I tell you, when you leave the body, these two patterns with which you are struggling, they become irrelevant and pure Paramashiva stands. And you just merge with him and become one with him. That is why I say struggling is not crime. But if you lost focus, if you come to the conclusion of, I am not able to do anything, I struggled with this lust pattern and hunger pattern for 25 years, I can't do anything. So you lose focus or you consciously decide not to persist. Then, when you leave the body, this struggle will become irrelevant. The incompletion patterns will become irrelevant, I tell you. Your lust, your hunger, all the patterns related to your body, your hormones and chemicals are irrelevant when you leave the body. But the decisions you make are going to come with you, because the deciding component of you, that will persistence, is going to assume the next body. Understand? This body is not going to come with you. So the patterns related to the hormones and chemicals die with it and they become irrelevant. They actually become irrelevant. But how you dealt, what kind of reactions you gave, how you handled, cognized your hormones and chemicals and patterns related to that, that pattern Your will persistence pattern is going to come with you. Listen, understand that. So, if you don't give up during your struggles, struggles will become irrelevant. When the struggles become irrelevant, you were already yearning so much to become one with Paramashiva, you will just merge into Him. I tell you, struggles are not wrong, but giving up or feeling it is not possible for you, sometimes the demon in you becomes so strong. You even feel it is not possible for anyone. So anyone who teaches the Shivajnana is cheat. Oh God, you go to that extent. Worst Rakshasa. I tell you. Ravana. Maybe Asura, but never Rakshasa. Maybe he was struggling with his lust pattern. But he never felt the Paramashivajnana is not possible for him, or it is not possible for the universe. I am not saying Ravana is right. All I am trying to tell is, before telling Ravana is wrong, you please become right and then tell Ravana is wrong. That's all. In every Padigam, my Guru Mudalvar, Jnanasambandha Perumal, Guru Mudalvar means all Adinams will have two history. One, the history from Kailasa, that Tirukkailaya Parambarai Varalaru. The history from Kailasa till one person who is known in the modern history, recent history. So the recent history, known reviver is considered as Guru Mudalvar for each Adinam. So for Madurai Adinam, it is considered Jnanasambandha is Guru Mudalvar. But when I see the actual history of Sthana Varalaru, Sthanigar Varalaru and all other mother documents, it goes much beyond. I think we have enough evidence. Meenakshi herself is a historical figure. She is not mythical figure. She is an historical figure who lived on planet Earth and revived the whole Shyamala Pita, Sarvanya Pita. Okay. That's a different subject. So, my Guru Mudalvar, every Padigam, he sings about Ravana lifting the Kailasa. It means he was given so much of importance among the devotees. Even when he was struggling, he did not deny the possibility for himself or for world. But this Tripurasuras, the son of Tarakasura, sons of Tarakasura, Tarakaksha, Kamalaksha, these three, Vidyunmali, these three because they were struggling, not only they denied the possibility for themselves, they started telling the whole world it is not possible for anyone. Rakshasas. Rakshasas. Not only they need to be destroyed, they should never be glorified. If you just remove Sita episode, Sita being kidnapped and that component, Ravana is absolute hero. Last day, before entering into the war, he goes with his Atmalinga, means he does Shiva Puja, wears his Atmalinga back and goes to the war. That is why Vibhishana tells Rama, hey, don't send the arrow to his chest. Atmalinga is there, that will protect him. Cut his head. Which is wrong as per the rules of the war. You only have to open the chest and kill a brave hero who is standing in front of you. Anyhow, even when you are struggling, don't go to the low of Tripurasuras. Denying the possibility for yourself and for others. It's extreme, I tell you. Struggling is not at all wrong, but denying is seriously wrong. Shivanyana, Paramashivanyana is possible for you and for the whole universe. Guru is the statement from Paramashiva. It is possible for individual and for the universe. Guru is the statement from Paramashiva that Shivanyana is possible for individual and for the universe. That's first. Second, an incarnation makes it possible through powerful initiations, methods, creating an ambience. I tell you, every temple is the ambience, ecosystem. Why do you think I insist on worshipping the 63 Nayanmars? Because those 63 Nayanmars, if you read their life stories, you will understand how the ecosystem should be kept alive and how important to keep the ecosystem alive. There is one Nayanmar who has done only one work, Kungiliya Kalaya Nayanar. Every day he will put that Aushada smoke, medicinal, fragrant smoke. I don't know the exact English word for Sambrani, Kungiliyam. It is actually a Aushada, medicine, and very pleasant smell. If you inhale that, the non-mechanical brain parts will be awakened. The Amrita Tara in your Sahasrara Chakra, the nectar intra-organ, that opens up. And the Sahasrara starts releasing the chemicals, hormones, everything needed for you to be healthy and connect with Paramashiva. Sambrani is roughly translated in English as benzyne resin, but I don't think it's the right word. It is medicinal, very beautiful sweet fragrance, creating smoke. Let me define it so you create your own word. I have no problem. It cannot be translated. Kungiliyam. This Nayanar, the only work he will do is from morning till night, he will go to the temple for 6 times puja and create that smoke, that's it. But Paramashiva gives him the space in Kailasa and gives him Shiva Padavi. Because even that smoke matters to keep the ecosystem alive. That ecosystem alive. It matters. That is why I insist. I have made some 1000 Kungiliya Kalayam vessels and asked all our temples and ashrams should have. Why do you think? It has a reason. It has reason, and especially during the satsang or the process time, if you have the Kungiliya, the traditional Kungiliyam smoke, you literally experience Kailasa because the non-mechanical parts of your brain is awakened. Your quality of consciousness is raised. When you smoke the Kungiliya, even by remembering the story, I am getting into the same samadhi and the goosebumps in my body. The importance of keeping the ecosystem alive, you will understand when you read and learn the history of 63 Saiva saints. Struggling is not at all a problem. Giving up is a serious problem. Denying is a crime. Denying the possibility for others is terrorism. Guru is a statement from Paramashiva. It is possible. Incarnation is direct manifestation of Paramashiva, making it possible. Kungiliya. Maybe a small act, just putting the Kungiliya smoke for Paramashiva, but it gives you enlightenment because the ecosystem, the ecosystem everything supports, everything supports, that's the truth. Tyaga is the way the pure consciousness becomes a resource in your life. See, it's like when Paramashiva blesses, he appears many times in devotees' dream, vision and say, I'll shower you with wealth. Then how it gets translated? You see gold and all the wealthy, what is considered as the symbol of wealth, showered on your life, the currency. Same way, when Paramashiva gives you the blessing, Kundalini Shakti, energy, awakening, initiation, anything, Tyaga is the way. It is available to you as a resource. I tell you, how gold is a universal currency in the external world, Tyaga is the superpower in the internal world. More Tyaga you are, higher the state in which you reside. Tyagis are the essence, juice, taste of the humanity. Tyagis are the essence of the humanity. Tyagis are the taste of the humanity. Tyagis are the juice of the humanity. Tyaga in every level. I tell you, life happens in you only in the zone of hormones, chemicals, memories, emotions. When you just decide to go for Nirahara, all the hormones and chemicals related problems are absolutely healed. When you decide to go for Kutakesha, means conquering sleep, all the problems related to memory and emotions are healed at least once in 15 days. Once in 15 days, one day, no food, no sleep. Paksha Shivaratri. So actually from today, every month, all our temples, ashrams will celebrate Paksha Shivaratri. Means that every 15 days, that Paksha Shivaratri day, our temples will be open whole night and the Forgala Puja will be done. So, all devotees can come and participate every Paksha Shivaratri. Every Paksha Shivaratri, all temples will be open that night. So, now the calendar will be updated. The Paksha Shivaratri of this whole year. Make this Paksha Shivaratri night celebration as an important celebration in our Sangha every 15 days. Means every 15 days one Paksha Shivaratri is going to come. So from this Paksha, we started yesterday Mahashivaratri, day before yesterday I think. So now, let us have, with the grace of Paramashiva, with the blessings of Mahaganapati, let's start this. Every Paksha Shivaratri, no food, no sleep. To balance the whole energy and to purify everything related to chemicals and hormones and memories and emotions. Om Bhur Bhuva स्वाहा तत् वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत् सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। Now next, Shivamoola mantra. Listen and recite along with me. Om Am Om Shivaya Namaha. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namaha. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namaha. Third, Mahavagya. Listen. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. So, with this, I initiate all of you into Charyapada, watching the satsang every day, Kriyapada, doing Anmartha Puja every day, Yoga Pada, doing Nityananda Yoga every day, Jnana Pada, doing power manifestation every day. Understand? These four are empowerment. From today, all these four will work for you as reality. Not just intellectual words. It will become experience for you. You are authorized. You are empowered for this. So, now, with the grace of Paramashiva, I'll connect all of us to Paramashiva and Sri Kailasa. Please sit straight. Keep the Atmalinga in your hand. Now, all of us will be connected to Paramashiva and Sri Kailasa with the grace of Paramashiva.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாம் ஒரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாம் அவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலம் எனவே ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று கிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் இல்லாதருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே
ஓம் நித்யானந்த பரமசிவோஹம் ஓம் நித்யானந்த பரமசிவோஹம் ஓம் நித்யானந்த பரமசிவோஹம் ईशानमूर्तये नमः ॐ देभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तुरुं ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् Chant this Mahavagya inside your inner space intensely. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Ma Kundalini, Ma Kundalini, Ma Kundalini. Wake up in every body, independent of their ability to receive or not. Wake up. Ma Kundalini, respond by waking up. Raise, 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 raise. Shiva, 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 Kundalini, open up all the hearts. Sadashiva, wake up in all dimensions. Sadashiva, be awakened in every body here, in all the dimensions. Shiva, 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 raise, 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 Shiva, Kundalini, wake up, Kundalini, raise, Kundalini, be awakened, Kundalini, become alive, Kundalini, move up, Kundalini, Sadashiva is calling. Kundalini, respond. Let all the bodies be filled with the intense intoxication of being Mahadeva, being Sadashiva. Let all the bodies be filled. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Let this vibration of Shiva awaken all the layers of DNA in all these muscle memories, in all the bodies here. No more tiredness, no more boredom. Let eternal life happen. Let eternal life happen in every muscle memory. Let the eternal life vibrate. Let the eternal life penetrate. Let eternal life fill. Nityananda, Nityarogya, Nitya Jivana. Let everyone become Nitya Siranjeevi. Let all the muscles become eternally alive. Kundalini Ma, wake up, intensely raise, fill in every muscles, fill in every muscle memory. Sadashiva is calling, wake up. Sadashiva is calling, respond. Sadashiva is calling, O Devi, wake up. O Priye, wake up. Premini, wake up. Priyaswarupini, wake up. Mahadevi, wake up. Mata, wake up. Devi, wake up. Devi, raise. Raise to the crown center. Explode in Agnya Chakra. Raise to the crown center. देवी wake up. पार्वती, उमा, परमेश्वरी, सुमंगली, सुवासिनी, मंगलमयी, आनंदमयी, परमेश्वरी, त्रिपुर सुंदरी, जगतात्री, राजराजेश्वरी, wake up. कुंडलिनी, wake up ma. कुंडलिनी, become alive. Uma, wake up. Enough. This eternal long sleep is enough. Wake up now in this birth. Spending life after life in sleep is enough. Now wake up. Kundalini, wake up in this janma, in this moment, in this chana. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Raise. 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 Respond. Be alive. Be awakened. Be fully alive. Shiva. 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 Oh bliss, wake up. Oh Shiva Bodha, wake up. Oh Shivanyana, wake up. Oh Shivananda, wake up. Shiva Shakti, wake up. Shiva Kundalini, wake up. Shiva Jyoti, wake up. Shiva Mayi, wake up. Shiva. 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 Mahadeva. Mahadeva. Kundalini. 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 Parabhattariga. Mahadevi. Jnaneshwari. Bhuvaneshwari. Jagannmata. Jagatamba. Jagatatri. Jagatkarani. Jagannmata. Jaganmayi. Kundalini. Paraprakriti. Parameshwari, embodiment of ecstasy, wake up. Sadashiva, I am calling. Kundalini, wake up. Devi, respond. Become alive in everybody here, independent of their ability to receive you or not receive you. Independent of their ability, you be alive, awakened. Shiva, 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 Arunagiri Yogeshwara, wake up, all the third eyes here, all the bodies here, experience intense energy, Kundalini awakening on the third eye. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Let all the bioenergies vibrate with my very own bioenergy, Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Arunagiri Yogishwara, 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 Arunagiri Yogishwara. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. So I bless you all. With this, I bless you all. Please continue to be connected. We have 2 Tulabharams after this. After Tulabharam, I'll give my ultimate final blessings. Then
ॐ नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ओम ममोपात समस्त दुरित क्षय द्वारा भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रीत्यर्थम अद्य पूर्वोक्त एवं गुण विशेषण विशिष्टायाम अस्याम शुभतिथौ मायर लॉन्ग नाम्न्याः क्वो ग्विंग तुन नामधेयस्य यूलिंग जू नामधेयस्य एडमंड चैंग नामधेयस्य निंग हुचेन नामधेयस्य पुंग चिन्यू नामधेयस्य हुआंग यून चैंग नामधेयस्य वू तु यी नामधेयस्य चैंग मिंग युएन नामधेयस्य इसी यू चेन नामधेयस्य चुओ जिउडा नामधेयस्य तु हुई हुसैन नामधेयस्य सु जुन्हावो नामधेयस्य फेंग चीलियावो नामधेयस्य सकुटुंबस्य च मनसे स्थित सकल सदभीष्ट काम्यार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थम भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव परिपूर्ण कृपा कटाक्षेण सकुटुंबस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं च सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूप भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव चरणारविंदयोः रसखंड तुलाभारं करिष्ये। राजाधिराजाय प्रपद्यताहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु वीराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संहारतारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी कृष्णं नमामि। सर्वदेवदेवी कृपाय भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमो नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि। ओम ममोपात समस्त दुरित क्षय द्वारा भगवच्छ्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवप्रीत्यर्थम् अद्य पूर्वोक्त एवं गुणविशेषणविशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभतिथौ नोयल् श्रेनर् नामधेयस्य मार्था मरिया श्रेनर् नाम्न्याः युलेनो सैण्डेस् नामधेयस्य रेजिना मोक्ली नामधेयस्य रोबी नामधेयस्य अनुष्का श्रेनर् नामधेयस्य पॉल श्रेनर् नामधेयस्य सकुटुम्बस्य च मनसेप्सित सकल सदभीष्टकाम्यार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थम् सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूप भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव परिपूर्ण कृपा कटाक्षेण सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं च सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूप भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव चरणारविन्दयोः रसखण्ड तुलाभारं करिष्ये। राजाधिराजाय प्रसह्यसाहिने नमो वयं वैश्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वैश्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं जगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे मम भवानी सहितं नमामि महारात्रिकं समर्पयामि
Yes. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, living and radiating the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Sri Kailasa of Parama Shiva, the eternal bliss. Parama Shivoham. Nityananda Parama Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.